Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into something that's perfect for the fall season and will take your baking to the next level. Introducing the JULBEAR 36 pieces Thanksgiving stencils, the best fall cookie stencils you can get your hands on. These creative stencils are not just ordinary baking tools. They bring a delightful touch of autumn to your cookies, cakes, and even your coffees. With 36 unique designs featuring all the classic Thanksgiving elements, like pumpkins, turkeys, and autumn leaves, this set truly captures the spirit of the season. Made from durable PET plastic, these stencils are laser cut to ensure precision without any sharp edges, making them safe for kids to use as well. Using these stencils is incredibly simple. Just cover the stencil over your cookie or cake, sprinkle some powdered sugar or cocoa, and peel it off to reveal a beautiful design. It's that easy. You'll get stunning results every time, impressing your family and friends with your baking skills. Plus, they're reusable. Just wash them with soap and water after use, and you're ready to bake again. Whether you're preparing for a Thanksgiving feast or a cozy autumn gathering, these stencils are versatile enough for all occasions. Use them not just for cookies and cakes but also for decorating breads and coffees. The possibilities are endless. You can even incorporate them into DIY crafts or use them for painting on different surfaces like glass and wood to add a personalized touch to your autumn decor. Let's talk about size. Each stencil measures approximately 2.76 inches in diameter, making them ideal for various desserts. The strong and flexible material allows for easy handling, and the absence of sharp edges ensures safety while baking. It's a great way to involve the kids in holiday preparations without worry. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your fall baking game, the JULBEAR Thanksgiving stencils are a must-have. Their practicality, combined with fun designs, makes them the best fall cookie stencils out there. Grab your set today and get ready to create some deliciously beautiful treats that will wow everyone at your table this season. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great product reviews and tips. Happy baking, and enjoy the fall festivities.